Your question is, which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution puts an absolute limitation on the legislative power? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Article 15, C. Article 16, or D. Article 17. Right answer is A. Article 14. Your question is, the description of fundamental rights for the Indian citizens is in. Your options are A. Article 12 to 35 of the Constitution, B. Article 13 to 36 of the Constitution, C. Article 15 to 39 of the Constitution, or D. Article 16 to 40 of the Constitution. Right answer is A. Article 12 to 35 of the Constitution. Your question is, in which article of the Constitution equal protection of law is provided? Your options are A. Article 12, B. Article 13, C. Article 14, or D. Article 15. Right answer is C. Article 14. Your question is, a legislation which confers on the executive or administrative authority an unguided and uncontrolled discretionary power in the matter of application of law violates which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Article 28, C. Article 32, or D. Article 44. Right answer is A. Article 14. Your question is, the right to equality is given by first Article 13, second Article 14, third Article 15, fourth Article 16. Use the code given below to choose the correct answer. Code A. 1 and 2, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 2, 3 and 4, or D. all above. Right answer is C. 2, 3 and 4, Article 14, Article 15 and Article 16. Your question is, under which article of the Constitution reservations in admission to educational institutions, including private and unaided to OBCs, ST, SC is made? Your options are A. Article 15.4, B. Article 15.5, C. Article 16.4, or D. Article 16.5. Right answer is B. Article 15.5. Your question is, Supreme Court's judgment of Indira Sahni vs Union of India case is related to which issue? Your options are A. Regarding the issue of OBC reservation in government employment, B. Basic structure theory, C. Approve the reservation on promotion of SC, D. Extended reservation for ST, E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. Regarding the issue of OBC reservation in government employment. Your question is, which article of the Constitution gives precedence to constitutional provisions over the laws made by the Union Parliament or state legislatures? Your options are A. 13, B. 32, C. 245, or D. 326. Right answer is A. 13. Your question is, the main object of Article 13 of the Indian Constitution is to secure the paramountcy of the Constitution regarding. Your options are A. Directive principles of state policy, B. Fundamental rights, C. Fundamental duties, or D. all of the above. Right answer is B. Fundamental rights. Your question is, which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution belongs to a different category? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Article 15, C. Article 16, or D. Article 19. Right answer is D. Article 19.